Let's get real here on this live. As a woman, you know that you cannot put time on layaway. Let's say it again. You cannot put time on layaway. Your intuition will awake. If you feel what I'm saying, put it in the comments. And one in the comment. Your intuition, when you look inside yourself, into your truth, into your inner world, you will see, oh, the reason why this hasn't happened for me yet is because I'm holding on to anger. Tell the truth. See you, my dear. Today we're talking about something that I don't hear touched on in this space. How to stop resisting your truth and design the life you love. Yes, because you are an ambitious woman. You have achieved so much in your life. You are a mother. You have raised and are raising a beautiful family, loving kids, and that's proper work. You have a beautiful home, live in a city that you love. Maybe you have the career that you are enjoying, or thinking about doing something else and feeling that intuitive tug to design the life you never want to run away from. But because you and me, we all do it, my loves. We've done it before. Some of my clients have too. We have been buying into the illusion that we have to do the thing that we're supposed to do to get the thing that we're supposed to get, because that's what everybody says. And then what happens, my love? Thank you, my love. It's the new office. Do you love it? Thank you, my loves. And so what happens when we procrastinate and we delay our soulful messages from our God is we unintentionally hurt ourselves. How to stop resisting your truth and design the life you love? Because as a woman, let's get real here on this live. As a woman, you know that you cannot put time on layaway. Let's say it again. You cannot put time on layaway. If you know what I'm talking about, put a 1 in the comments. Because life does not wait for you to get ready to live the life. Life does not wait or stop for you to catch your breath in the moments of your becoming, in the moments of raising your family, in the moments of deciding your worth. So this is what we need to do, my loves. Many people even ask themselves, wait a minute. They negotiate with themselves. Can I give myself 1 minute to catch my breath, to breathe, to take a walk? Can I give myself a minute to feel my feelings? Oh, by the way, I shouldn't. I don't have time to acknowledge how I'm feeling, because we have been told that there are certain things we have to accomplish in life. A degree, a house, 1 or 2 lovers, a pet, a house, fancy vacations, and a nice, lovely home. And we're not always encouraged to do what? This secret thing I'm going to tell you. To step into the low down belly of your truth. To get down, deep down into the elements of yourself that you sometimes are intimidated by. You are sometimes scared to touch. You sometimes don't even realize, because of your blind spots, that inside that truth is the thing, is the aha, it is the glory, it is the deliverance of the woman you have been waiting to meet. How to stop resisting your truth. Because, my loves, here's what's going to happen. And you know, as a woman, you've touched that becoming. You may come upon, when you touch your truth, when you tell yourself the truth and you ask yourself the questions, to get to understand, why do I procrastinate? Why do I put off doing all these things that I know will help me? Why do I put so much pressure on myself to be who I think they want me to be? This is what's going to happen when you go down deep into the belly of your truth. You will definitely come upon secrets you hide from yourself. You will come upon your darkness. Yes, what is darkness? Shame, guilt, betrayal, all the emotions that make you feel uncomfortable. Maybe even some of your greed that some people say you should not have, your secret delicious desires. You may be coming upon some old time story that you put away in the cabinet and you say, oh, this happened 20 years ago. Why do I need to bother about it? It doesn't affect my today life, so why even bother about it? My loves, here's the deal. Inside of that truth is a blessing that you will not even know you needed until after the fact. Inside that truth is a blessing that you don't even realize is your rebirth into becoming that soulful person that you deserve. That courage that will help you make that decision with ease, to confidently step away from a relationship that hurts you, to confidently say and get what you want with ease. My love, here's the other truth. You cannot run away from yourself. Parts of you that you think are beautiful, you may celebrate on the outside, all the surface things, right? The beauty, your intelligence, whatever. The things that other people validate and recognize as beautiful. But let me tell you something, you are not half of a woman. You are a whole somebody. Huh? Your gray areas, your yellow areas, your purple areas, your black areas, your brown areas, all of that makes you you. Embrace who you are and see the glory, see the beauty in your truth. Because under there's the reason why you have not hit your next level. Because wouldn't it be amazing if you could find the courage to step into your deep desires of whatever it may be. You know yourself. Ask yourself the question right now. What is the one thing that I could do with my life right now that I hesitate on? What is the one thing that I can do right now to move my life forward? And you know what's going to come up? In the back of your mind, you can't do it. You can't do it because the society says you can't do it because you're this age, you're this race, your hair is like this, you are from a certain religious group. My love, all of that will come up. But let me tell you, when you walk that out, when you push through that fear, when you meet your truth and you get to the darkness, get to the secret places, and at a pace that you can handle, you will stop measuring and comparing yourself to Jack, Jill, and Peter, Paul, and Mary. Because you may be thinking, oh, my coworker, she was able to get to XYZ in 2 years. And meanwhile, it's been 4 years and you're not there yet. My loves, that's where you honor where you are. By sitting with the truth that is you. Every part of you is necessary. For you to get to the glory, for you to get to the 6-figure, whatever it is that you crave in your soul, you've got to get to the belly of the truth. And my loves, you will feel clammy, maybe. You will feel and you will start to sweat out the truth that is you, so much so that it will come into your eyelashes, that sweat, and you may have to close your eyes to stop that sweat from dripping in your eyes. And then when you close your eyes to the external validation that you're waiting for, when you close your eyes to the truth that is outside disturbing your precious knowledge of who you really are, you will see that and you will tap into the soulful you on the inside. Yes, because your inner sight, your intuition will awake. If you feel what I'm saying, put it in the comments, and one in the comment. Your intuition, when you look inside yourself, into your truth, into your inner world, you will see, oh, the reason why this hasn't happened for me yet is because I'm holding on to anger. Tell the truth. anger over my parents, anger over my husband, anger over my children, resentment over whatever my business partner. You will see all of that come up. And then what's under the anger? I'm blaming this person for my circumstance. I'm blaming that person for not giving me the salary that I deserve. And then what's underneath that blame, my loves? You go deeper and you go deeper into the belly of your truth. And I know you will meet your fullest expression of the woman you decide you will be. My love, society does not want you to go there. Let's tell the truth. Tell me where you're here in this world. Go on and get your degrees, get the house, get the husband, and by the way, tell yourself all the truth about why you resist doing the thing, why you put off doing the thing. Nobody tells you. That's why I'm telling you here today. Inside of you is everything that you need to deliver the life that you deserve. But until you get that courage to meet yourself, to go down, 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 down into the belly of your truth, into the belly of your why, you will keep following the pack, following the people that said, shame is you, messy is you, resentment is you, anger is you. My loves, and here's what I say, yes, they are. Bring them, bring them, bring them, bring them. All of that make you you. Because without the shame, without the guilt, without the messy, without the resentment, without the hunger, who would you be? Who would you really be? You cannot erase the parts of you that make you you. All parts of you make you you. And the moment you have the courage, the moment you understand that there is beauty and grace and even elegance in parts of you that you have been taught are not in service of your becoming, you will surrender. And you will realize, oh, okay, it's not that big a deal. I'm normal, I'm human, I work through stuff, and eventually I get to where I need to go at a pace that I can handle. At a pace that you can handle. Because remember, your emotional capacity and your ability to meet your truth, to absorb the information that you're getting, to integrate all that will come up for you, your whole story, takes time. Takes time. And because you cannot put time on layaway, it is so beautiful for you to start when you feel your intuition calling. Do not run away from who you are. You're already worthy. We're just working through stuff. Human beings. It's a process. A process of becoming the woman you never want to run away from. My loves, if this resonates for you, I welcome you to stick around. I have a juicy invitation. I invite you to apply to the one-on-one private coaching program, the Born Divinely Worthy, where you and I will work one-on-one together. And this is important for you because you are an ambitious woman. You've already achieved some success in your life. Success, but there's something that's in the way of you stepping into the next level you. Yes, you keep procrastinating, you doubt your abilities and capabilities, and sometimes second guess yourself, and you think that you have to follow the steps that everybody else say you must follow in order for you to get the thing. Everybody else is procrastinating, and hey, it worked for you in the past, you eventually got the thing you needed, but the pressure, was it worth it? I know it wasn't for me. Was the stress worth it? Was your missed period worth it? Sleepless nights? My love, you deserve so much more. You know this. You know in your heart of all hearts that you deserve the life you never want to run away from. And I can help you with that. This is a reality that many of my clients, including Jay, a single mother, a single mother and a marketing director, she had the courage to let go of all the things that she was supposed to do as an African Caribbean woman. She was supposed to do all these things, and she let that fall away and invited her soulful intuition to speak to her, and she told herself the truth. She stopped resisting her truth and created the life she loves. She loves my love and she never wants to run away from. Or if you are like my client T, a married woman with a beautiful daughter doing all the things that she never imagined she could do because she didn't have the confidence to speak up for herself and to tell the world, this is who I am. There is no shame in my history. This is who I am. This is all of me, and you can receive it or not, but I am whole already, and I deserve the life I need, not the life that you say is available for me. My love, all of this is available for you if this resonates. If you'd like to learn more about our VIP day or one-on-one private coaching program, send me a message. The link is in the bio. You are always welcome here. I am so grateful for this opportunity to share this space with you. If you are celebrating 4th of July, be safe. Eat as much as you want, because I am. Have a lovely day. Send me a message in here at Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn.
Another video is waiting for you. Check it out. Check it out now.